Hey Tech Learners, welcome to Tech Hashim. I am super excited to take you on a complete journey of React.js from basic to advanced concept. Although there are many ways to learn React, we will break it down step by step so it becomes simple and enjoyable. This video is the first in a full React.js playlist I have created just for you. We will start with the fundamentals as well as real world project, helping you become a confident React developer. So let's get started.
Today we are diving straight into the world of ReactJS in this video. We will learn what ReactJS is all about and how to set it up on your system step by step. Let's begin. ReactJS is a JavaScript library designed to make building user interfaces simple and efficient manner. It is a component based, meaning you can break down your UI into smaller parts usable pieces. With React, you can build modern, fast, and scalable web application too. So now, before we start, make sure you have installed Node.js and npm on your system. You can download Node.js from its official website. I am going to install Node.js. If you already have, you don't need to download it again. You just check the Node.js version. Yeah, it will take some time, I think. Yeah, it has been done. I am going to install the Node.js. So this is the interface of the installation process. We can just next and next necessary. Now you can install the set. After installing the Node.js, we will going to check the node version 2. If the Node.js will successfully install, it will take some time, and you can learn from this official website. This is the React.js official website. You can learn from this too. And now this is successfully completed. And the purpose is press any key. Now it has been successfully installed. I'm going to check the node version on cmd prompt. So you can just check it too. Can write node hyphen v. So yeah, it has been successfully installed. Now we can check npm version 2. Now it has been successfully installed. So in this video we learned what React.js and why it's so popular and how to set it up step by step. In the next video we will explore the structure of React.js and dive into creating our first React component. So don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Hashim.